The first thing to do is to edit the page so you're working on A3. To do this, go to File, then Page Setup. This brings up the Page Setup menu with options for resizing and orientations. To make an A3 page, choose Custom from the Sizes drop-down menu, and then type 42.0 for width and 29.7 for height. Then press OK. You may get an error message about printer page sizes, but just ignore this and press OK to create your A3 page. To import your scan into your new A3 slide, go to Insert and then choose Picture, and then click your scan from the browser window and then press Insert. To rotate your scan image, first select the picture and then click Format and then Picture to bring up the Format Picture window. You can either rotate the scan by turning the wheel icon, seen here, or by entering a value in the box between 0 and 360. There are no ruler tools, as with Adobe Photoshop, but you can perhaps use the top of the Format Picture window to check the scan is straight, like so. Again, go to Format and then Picture to bring up the previous window again. Make sure the Lock Aspect Ratio option is selected to maintain the proportions of your image, and then type in the appropriate percentage value so your scan fits nicely on the page. Then click OK. When you're happy with the size, you can then drag the picture to the center of the A3 slide so it fits nicely on the page. The best way to crop the image is to zoom in to around 120–150%, then click Crop from Edit or the Toolbox menu, and then drag the box inwards to the desired position, removing the unwanted edges. When you're happy with the crop, click Enter or click Crop again in the menu. This method involves adjusting the brightness and contrast options in the Toolbox menu. If you don't have this turned on, then click the icon positioned in the menu next to the zoom options. You want to increase the brightness to a whiter colour and then increase the contrast to compensate so as to maintain a darker section drawing. Play around with the values until you think it looks good. For this scan, the values of 55% for brightness and 60% for contrast work the best. This approach is far from perfect, and I would definitely recommend doing this on Adobe Photoshop instead for a more accurate result.